This question is on the topic of speed of reaction, and then in this question we are given the graphs of volume of gas versus time for a particular decomposition reaction. So again, in a speed of reaction graph, there are three distinct points that we need to look out for. Number one is the gradient at the start. Okay, number two is the final volume of gas collected, and number three is the time at which the reaction is complete. Right, what do I mean by reaction is complete is when the gradient of the curve becomes zero. That means that there's no more reaction. The rate of reaction is zero. So these are the 3 points that we need to particularly look out for. So over here, in this question, they require you to convert the graph of volume of gas versus time to speed of reaction versus time. So how do we do that? If we compare experiments 1 and 2, at the start of the reaction, the speed is given by the gradient. So when we compare the gradient at the start of the reaction, that for experiment 2 is larger than experiment 1, meaning the speed of reaction for experiment 2 must be at a higher value than experiment 1. That means that A is wrong and C is wrong. Okay, so it's either B or D. Now to know whether it's B or D, now we can actually tell from the time at which the reaction has completed. So if we look at experiment 1 ended later than experiment 2. So it reaches 0 at a time that is later than experiment 2. So it will reach 0 at a time that is larger than experiment 2. So the correct answer here is D.